In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly withdraw funds from your Whop account. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Whop account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is essentially your home base for all account activities. From here, direct your attention to the section labeled Payouts. This is where you'll be able to manage and access your withdrawal settings. Now that you're on the payouts page, you'll see various options and details regarding your funds and their movement. Look for a button that says withdraw. This is what you'll need to click to initiate the withdrawal process. Once you've clicked on withdraw, it's time to enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double check this figure to avoid any mishaps. After entering the desired amount, you'll need to confirm your payment details. This step is crucial as it ensures that your funds are sent to the correct destination, be it your bank account or another method you've set up. Once your payment details are confirmed, go ahead and submit your withdrawal request. By doing so, you're officially initiating the transfer of funds from your Whop account to your chosen payout method. At this point, you might experience a brief period of anticipation. After your request is approved, the funds typically arrive in your bank account or chosen payment method within 3 to 5 business days. However, it's worth noting that some transactions, especially those marked for instant payouts, can go through much more quickly. So you might even receive your funds sooner than expected. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. With this knowledge, withdrawing your funds is now a hassle-free process. Just remember to always double check your payout details to ensure everything is in order. The waiting period might vary, but with patience, you'll find your funds will arrive securely. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions about the withdrawal process, it's always a good idea to reach out to Whop's customer support for assistance. They're there to help and can provide the guidance needed to address any concerns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on withdrawing from your Whop account. Until next time, take care and happy transacting.